Simple factoring word problem. Alright, so I'll first read it out to you. It says 9 friends want to share 36 peaches and 45 apples. How many peaches and apples will each person get if they divide them evenly? So we read it carefully, and then we need to find the divisor value. Okay, so in this case, we are dividing everything amongst 9 friends. So that means our divisor will then be 9. Okay, then we simply divide the other values by the divisor. So we divide everything else that we see by 9. Notice I wrote the units. So that leaves us 4 peaches and 5 apples, which means every friend will get 4 peaches and 5 apples if you divide everything evenly. And that completes our problem.